Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create unlimited AI finance videos in bulk using 100% free tools in 2026. So for the image generation process, I'm going to be using Vist AI. So you can also use it and you can also use the prompts that I'm going to be showing you in this video. So first of all, you need to come here on labs.google. Then basically you can also search for Whisk AI. So here you can log in with the help of your email address. Now click on the option of enter tool. So once this step is done, you need to basically start giving it the prompts. If you have any of the images in your mind, you can add it here in the scenes. So it is going to take that particular image for reference. If you don't have it, don't worry. You can just simply start typing your prompt over here. So let's say I am going to give it 5 simple prompts. So let's see if it is going to generate 5 images for these prompts. So here after giving the prompts, I just hit enter, and as you can see in one go it is going to generate 2 images. So you can also use the extension which is going to help you create the images in bulk. So here, as you can see, in one go it can create only 2 images. So if you like them, it is well and good, but if you don't like them, you can just simply click on it, then click on the option of regenerate after editing your prompt. So I like these videos, so I'm going to be downloading these in my device. Now with the help of Whisk, you can also animate the images that you have created. So for example, let's say from the prompt that I gave it, I'm going to keep only one prompt. So here I'm going to hit enter, and it is going to take some time to generate further images based on the prompt that I gave it. Now, once it has given you the prompt, instead of downloading it right away, you are going to see the option of animate on the top. So here you can click on the option of animate. Then it is going to basically take some time and animate this image for you very easily. So for free, you are going to get 9 generations. So you can add any of the animations like this person is waving his hand. So after giving the prompt, it is going to generate the animation for you. So you can download that animated video from here. So this way, when you have downloaded images in bulk, you can use any of the editing software. For example, let's say I'm going to use Wondershare Filmora. So here you can import all of these videos and images which you have downloaded from Whisk AI, and then you can place them one by one. You can add the audio with the help of the text to speech softwares and export that video in 1080p format. So this way you will be able to basically create unlimited AI finance videos in bulk. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.